So probably most of us know something about ISMINIM Central Hospital and ISMINIM Hospital of TCM. So many of our friends attending today's conference today used to work in our hospitals. And also you have brought a lot of experience and insights to us. Some very brief introduction to ISMINIM. ISMINIM is located in the middle between Chengdu and Chongqing, 140 miles to each city. So in the very middle point between these two cities with easy access to the two cities. And ISMINIM is a beautiful city with a population of over 3 million. So I'm going to talk about the focused ultrasound technology empowering the development of our hospital. As I mentioned, ISMINIM is an important gateway to the Chengdu-Chongqing economic circle. So focused ultrasound ablation technology and surgery, as you have known a lot from the speeches of the previous speakers. So by using this precise targeting of the ultrasound towards specific tissue, and the ultrasound possesses the unique ability to penetrate tissues and deposit energy. By generating ultrasound outside the body and focusing it on affected tissues or therapeutic targets, the treatment objectives can be accomplished through the mechanical, thermal, and cavitation effects of the ultrasound. And the mode of action of focused ultrasound can be linked to the principle of using a magnifying glass to concentrate sunlight onto a piece of paper, resulting in its combustion. So we know that through these development, we have made many world remarkable achievements over the world. So the two hospitals in ISMINIM, the treatment case numbers surpass 14,023 cases, and total treatment cases number of the benign diseases surpass 12,528 cases. And behind these large numbers are the fact that we have preserved over 12,000 uterus of women with over 12,000 families' happiness. So we are very much proud of it. And the two hospitals in ISMINIM, the Central Hospital and Hospital for TCM, and I have worked in these two hospitals in ISMINIM Central Hospital since 2010, one of the very first ones in China to apply HIFU treatment. And the application of ISMINIM Central Hospital is something I would like to share with us. So in 2010, the HIFU technology is not that widely spread, but we realize the importance of this technology. in 2006, we began to do this operation, HIFU operation. But the result is not that good. So in 2011, we began to do that again. And with the support of Oxford universities and some other medical organizations, we have conducted these guidelines and research association, and we have accumulated a lot of experience and achieved a remarkable progress with the largest amount of the clinical cases. And this is the picture of the cases, the patients of 37 years old patient with uterine fibroid. And so 1.5 years after the treatment, so you can see the fibroids disappeared totally. So we have finished over 3,000 in the first year, and in 2013, we have set the record of the numbers of the patients over 1,000 cases in 1 year. And from 2013 to 2019, we have continuously, for 7 years in a row, finished over 1,000 surgeries, HIFU surgeries. So we are the industry leader. We are the leader in this area and breaking the record of the world and the top ones over the world. And rank among the first ones in the global monthly treatment volume, and the first in the global annual treatment volume, and the world's first hospital reached an annual treatment volume of 1,000 cases per device. So that leads to the high-quality development of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology of our hospitals. So in 2016, we successfully got the provincial key disciplines and ranked the 20th among the specialized obstetrics and gynecology departments in municipal level hospitals. And so these technologies has made some positive impacts on our hospital development, and our department also won the People's Government Science and Technology Progress Award and in many other provincial level prizes. And we have published many high-quality papers. So all of these achievements are beyond our expectation. Thanks to HIFU technology, HIFU company, Professor Zhang Lian, Professor Wen Zhi, for your instruction. And we have published over 50 papers in various Chinese medical core journals and participating in writing over 20 CI papers. As the research-oriented hospital, probably it's not a big deal, but for us, the city-level hospital, this is something remarkable for us. And we also become a training base for clinical application of medical technologies. So many of these awards, the achievements in FUA clinical research and application have attracted high attention from domestic and international colleges, experts from nearly 1,000 domestic hospitals have come to visit and learn. And scholars from 41 countries and regions worldwide have visited the hospital for training. With nearly 100 scholars received training, over 500 HIFU doctors have been trained, including 38 foreign medical personnel. I'm very happy that I have this chance to see many old friends over these 2 days and also get to know some new friends. I am very proud of that, and I'm very glad to see that our team is becoming bigger and bigger. And ISMINIM Central Hospital has become a demonstration platform for focused ultrasound technology and training base for focused ultrasound surgery, as well as a practitioner and a communicator of the concept of minimally invasive and non-safe technology. And our principal has already invited many of you to visit our hospital from a very small and shabby hospital to the 2013, the comparatively larger scale hospital. And I believe when you visit this center, then you will see that might be the largest HIFU center with over 900 square meters and with the various HIFU equipment. So you are very welcome to visit ISMINIM, to visit our hospital and our center, and to communicate with us. And we have hosted many international and domestic conferences or workshops since 2014. So we have many new friends internationally through hosting this international conference with other international universities, colleges to promote HIFU technologies to some other international sister hospitals. And in this process, we send our doctors to these sisters hospitals to communicate with the doctors over there. And as you know, that the ISMINIM Central Hospital's ranking in Sichuan as the first one is closely related to the promotion of HIFU technology. And in 2018, November, the Minimal Invasive and Non-Invasive Medical Techniques branch of Sichuan Medical Association and 2 experts from our hospital were appointed as the chairpersons, making it the first provincial-level academic organization in Sichuan province to be led by experts from municipal-level hospital. So in the program of CCTV finance channel, CCTV2, with the title of Amazing China's Latest Scalpel, reported the application of HIFU technology in ISMINIM Central Hospital has created the world records. And as the municipal-level hospital with limited areas in its size, comparatively speaking, small compared to the other large comprehensive or general hospitals. This achievement is remarkable. And there are many HIFU equipments in our hospital, with the first one's introduction in 2006. JC HIFU ultrasound tumor treatment system. And so you can see that over these years' development from 2006 to 2018, over the 12 years, we have gained 2,000 cases of operations. But the development of HIFU operation has already become a prestigious brand of our hospital. And in 2019, I came to work in hospital of TCM of ISMINIM, and these 4 years are very difficult for us due to the COVID-19, but we still keep on working with over 1,000 cases of HIFU operation, which is difficult and challenge for us over the pandemic. So we have done some work in our hospital. We have expanded some more clinical indications. And some others work, the lung cancer, the metastasis, pelvic tumor, and the ones that we used to, or we didn't do earlier. So these patients are also ready to take the trial. And I believe in the future, more hospitals will try to have this practice. And this is also the case. The first day operation and second day, the patient can walk just as freely as she would like to. And also, with the combination of the modern technology, with the scopic, endoscopic, to treat the uterine tumors. Therefore, we have published several papers. And third aspect is that the integration of TCM and focused ultrasound. And TCM focused on the holistic view, and focused ultrasound value the local cure and treatment. So we combine these two with the integration. So every HIFU patient, we also give them some TCM therapy, because TCM has been our great heritage, and is something that people always rely very much on. And the development of focused ultrasound technology also draw the attention of Sichuan Province Drug Administration Bureau, and we are supported by them over the years, which help the obstetrics and gynecological disciplinary development. And we rank among the top ones in China over the years, so which is very much difficult for an department of obstetrics and gynecologists at a municipal level hospital. So with these departments and digestion department, obstetrics, gynecologics, and oncological department, we integrated these and to make it a new brand in Sichuan. And with the emphasis from the government organizations, with the integration of TCM and focused ultrasound technology, we hosted the training session every year. And for the first session, as you may see from this slides, the training session of this course expand our academic influence and enhance the international communications and exchanges with our counterparts. So there used to be few people visit our hospital, but now we receive many friends and visitors every week. And we have become an international training center of focused ultrasound technology. We give training session to the students nationally and internationally. So this is something which is remarkable for a municipal level hospital, but we have made it. Due to the development of our hospital, we from a municipal level hospital to a teaching side hospital. So Chunbei Medical College and affiliated medical college have already been added into our hospital. So the talents, academy, and economic resources cannot be compared to that of the national ones, but we must find out the right correction of development. So, because the municipal level cities with some limitations, therefore, in order to bridge this gap and surpass the achievements of institutions with our own advantages, and by doing so, we can strive to catch up and even surpass those top-tier institutions. So we must find our direction, the right direction for future development. Just as our Professor Chen, Chen's speech this morning, so Suining Hospital's development is in line with HIFU technology development. So with HIFU technology, Suining Hospital can achieve today's remarkable results and prestige with this technology, and it has already become a landmark of our hospital, or even Suining City, become a brand for us. And we believe that in the future, the hospital should identify its areas of strength and advantage in its disciplines, and clearly define its development direction, establish a comprehensive platform, and cultivate unique competitive edges. So with this platform in the hospital, I believe achievements will be gained in the future. So I believe that we should build hospital as a platform to pool the resources, so that in the future, when people talked about Suining Hospital, then people will know its characteristics and its brand, HIFU technology. So this is our features. And based on these defining features and distinctive technologies, we can enhance our competitiveness and our presentation. I've been to many hospitals, visited many hospitals. So people always asked me why HIFU technology was not well received in some big or general hospitals where there are a lot of patients. Then why it is well received by the patients in Suining Hospital? no matter it's in the numbers, the qualities, and the quantities. It is of great significance and characteristics. So our president said that the support of the hospital is very important. The support comes from different sources or different ways, not only about the input of the investment, and also a very good team is important for the development. Everyone in the team joined their hands and make the joint contribution and play their own distinctive and unique role. And with the teamwork and the common aspiration, can the whole team reach achievements as they expected. So thank you, everyone, and welcome to ISMINIM.